Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Guy, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. So if you are a user on X, formerly known as Twitter, and you want to download a particular video in high resolution, 4K, whatever resolution that you want, then this video is for you. Yeah. So after this video, you'll be able to know how to do download all videos in high quality. So first of all, just get the video that you want to download. So in here, I have a video in here, and this is the video that I want to download. Yeah, so the first step, open your Twitter, select the video, then select the share button and copy link. So select the share button and copy link. Yeah, copy link. So after that, open a new tab. Open a new tab and type in twittervid.com. twittervid.com. This is the website, twittervid.com. Yeah, so this is one of the best Twitter video downloader that I have discovered or I've come across. Yeah, so with this, all that you have to do is just paste in your URL, posting the link or posting the URL. Okay, so after you're done with that, select the load video start. Yeah, so after the video is downloaded, you realize you'll be given a format in which you want to download the video. Yeah, so some video may be available in 1080p, some may be available in 4K. It depends on the particular video. So you can just select the resolution that you want or the format that you want. So let me go for the first one. You just select it, click on it, and the downloads begins. Yeah, so wait patiently. So that's it. So the downloaded video is on my phone now, and it is perfectly complete without any use of any app. Yeah. So please don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget, like and also comment. Okay. So see you next time, and see you on the other side.